Geeks for Geeks School presents School Ambassador Program. This program is the voice of students in action, where actions mold the present into future we all can be proud of. Let's hear it their way.
Hey everyone, my name is Ankush Chauhan and I'm a 14-year-old boy from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. Currently I'm doing my schooling from Padmashri and a known public school, and I'm in 10th grade. Since the past, I'm still very passionate about technology and I'm on the road to create something new out of it. In the past, I used to work as an intern for some of the small fintech startup of India. I used to work as a web developer, as a business analytic, and a social media manager as well. I also contribute to various open source projects. I used to contribute to Material UI, Node.js, and many more. And I'm continuously contributing to these projects as well. I also participate in hackathon. I used to participate in 50 plus hackathon till now, and I won 5 plus hackathon. I also launched my own community, so there are almost 100 plus members in my community, and the main of the community is people aware of coding. And I also provide free mentorship to the people in my community, and we are soon hitting the mark of 200 plus members in our community. I also uh, a content creator, so I used to create my own content on LinkedIn, Instagram, and many more social media platforms. So the content which I created is related to personal development and software development. I also a freelancer, so I used to earn and on Upwork. So I used to freelance in web development and graphic designing. I also a so my hobby are to play football, and I also my hobby second hobby is to read books. So I mostly prefer non-fiction books, and my third hobby is to cooking. So my future vision is to make India the best place in the world, whether in term of economy, whether in the term of employability, and many more factors. So for that, I soon launching my own startup. So many of the startup is to make people aware of cryptocurrencies. So as you know, there's the cryptocurrencies getting more hype day by day. Most of the biggest people in the world are used to believing in cryptocurrencies, and they're investing in these cryptocurrencies. So I make aware. So I want people to get aware by these cryptocurrencies. So I soon launching my own startup. So main startup is to pick people and giving knowledge, and people can also trade and invest through my platform. Thank you so much for watching.